Hey everyone, welcome back to App Insight. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn off analytics on TikTok in just a few simple steps. Let's jump right in. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to access the Settings and Privacy menu. Once you're on this page, tap on Account. Here's where you can make changes to your account settings. If you're currently using a business account, you'll need to switch to a personal account to turn off analytics. Just tap on Switch to Personal Account. By switching to a personal account, analytics will be disabled on your TikTok account. However, keep in mind that you will also lose access to business features. To confirm, tap Switch Anyway. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled analytics on your TikTok account. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to App Insight for more helpful tips and tricks to improve your social media game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.